0795 789804, 0795 789804. Kana email itoneo info@kiheotv.co.e.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ni mwihoko wakwa no thiete na mbere na kwirorera Kiheo TV ni mohoro ma thaa mugwanja na njira ndaya toria tukuharireirie na niĩ ngũgũthomera njĩtagwo Francis Wairura
na niĩ njĩtagwo Mũrĩra Wanjirũ tũkũnyitio geni mohoro-inĩ maitũ ma mĩaraho
na tũrambĩrĩria na riboti kuma mwena wa gĩcũa-inĩ. Kuona mũingĩ wa kaunti ya Kwale ũkoretwo ũgĩtangĩka kwa ihinda kumana na kwaga hinya wa kũhũthĩka, rĩu thirikari ya kaunti ĩyo nĩ ĩthiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo ĩnyitanĩire na aigithia kĩũmbe kũrĩa rĩu marugũrĩte gasi ĩrĩa ĩkũhũthĩka. Kũringana na abithaa mũnene kaunti ĩno na nĩwe Emilia Chenga, athiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo akiuga atĩ rĩu mũingĩ nĩ ũrĩkoragwo ũkĩhũthĩra gasi ĩno na njĩra ya raithi.
As a nation, we are all working towards universal access to clean cooking options by 2028. And that is 2 years shy from now. So that's why we are appreciating every partner who's coming on board and urging more partners to come in and support, because the statistics show that we still have a lot to do. For example, as a city county where you would think the access to clean energy is comparatively high, we still have almost 49% that use non-clean cooking options. We are also working on the levies from the county, and just to make sure that the business environment is suitable for investors to come on board.
Customers wetu wa Pwani walikuwa na shida kubwa sana kutafuta mahali ya kujaza hiyo mtungi ya hashi after hiyo kampuni kwenda under receivership. So tume ya EPRA iliweza kuchagua Top Line Traders kuwa brand caretaker managers since 2023, and mwaka jana sasa ndio Top Line Traders Limited iliweza kununua brand ya hashi. So tumekuwa tukijaza brand ya hashi na Top Gas kwenye refilling plant zetu zingine za Nakuru, Eldoret, Nairobi. Sasa ndio tumefungua hii plant ya Mombasa iweze kuserve wale customers na raia wa Mombasa wasisumbuke na hiyo mtungi ya hashi.
Kujenga kiwanda hapa imeleta ajira kwa wakazi wa hapa, na tunaendelea kuexpand to other towns apart from zenye ziko already.
Enforcement kazi nyingine inafanya ikipata vendors afuati zile masharti za kampuni na masharti za serikali. Tuko na barua tunapeana show cause letter, tunakwambia usipofanya
kaunti-inĩ ya Kwale tũthiĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Bungoma na kũrĩa rĩu atongoria a arutani nĩ mambĩrĩirie gũteta nĩ kĩrĩa maugĩte arutani nĩ maracemania na moritũ magĩetha motungata ma ũrigiti, rĩu makĩenda bodi ya chief gũkorwo ĩkĩnyabara werũ mũtaratara ũcio. Mwandĩki
wa mohoro na nĩwe Karo wa Kamande nĩ aratarĩria makĩria.
Atongoria a gũtetera ihoto cia arutani a thukuru-inĩ cia thekondarĩ KUPPET kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Bungoma nĩ matarĩirie mathĩna marĩa arutani makoretwo magĩcemania namo rĩrĩa marathiĩ motungata ma ũrigiti, nĩ kĩrĩa maugĩte rũhonge rwa kũrũgamĩrĩra marĩhi SHIF rũrĩ na mĩhĩnga na kũrĩa macũgĩrĩirie kuoha thabarĩ ndaya gũthiĩ gwetha motungata macio. Atongoria aya arĩ hamwe na Anthony Wafura na Mildred Kisaka marĩtie maya marĩ thukuru-inĩ wa thekondarĩ wa St Patrick kũrĩa matarĩirie bata wa thukuru kũgĩa na wĩyathi wa kwĩrũgamĩrĩra.
Majorly we want to emphasize on issues SHA. We want to emphasize on issues autonomy, and we want also to talk about the leadership of Bungoma North at large, elections that were done recently, and the appointments that were made.
I would like also to reiterate and say that in Bungoma North, SHA is not working. It's only the system that is working. But the hospital that we've been given in North, we do not have the drugs in those hospitals. We are forced to go very far as Bungoma to get those services.
Pertaining SHA, we are suffering. We had one hospital that was Jumbo Clinic that was helping us to get the facilities, but at the moment, they are not offering. So teachers in Bungoma North are supposed to travel as far as Bungoma in order to get medication. So it is our humble request to the leaders that were elected in the office that was in January to ensure that at least teachers, not only in the Bungoma North, but all over the county are getting the medication services as we need them.
Our colleagues in JSS are suffering, and therefore they need the autonomy to lead themselves, and also to lead, even to organize themselves in matters of sports and in matters of leadership.
Lakini yule anapinga, huyo ni adui wa walimu wa Bungoma North. Sisi kama walimu wa Bungoma North, yule ambaye anapinga tutakabiliana naye.
Kuri oguo arutani ni moretio guteithania wira na atongoria aria meriga gucagurwo niguo kuhotithia makaya mao kuiguika. Handũ-inĩ ha Kiheo TV ria kwaretwa Karo Wajiko wa Kamande.
Nĩ ngatho Karo Wanjiko wa Kamande. Na rĩu tũhiũke nginyagia kaunti-inĩ ya Trans Nzoia. Kuona thĩ ciĩko cio hahami ikoretwo ciongererekete na gĩkĩro kĩnene kaunti-inĩ ya Trans Nzoia, rĩu mũjumbe wa kaunti ĩno na nĩwe Lilian Chebet nĩ athiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo akiuga atĩ thirikari ĩrĩ maitho na nĩ ĩgũthiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo ĩgĩtacũkĩria makinya ma kĩwatho arĩa makoretwo magĩcitabania.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Chiranganyi makutano, Chebet aviete na mbere na kuga atĩ nĩ kĩeha kĩnene mũno makĩria ciana gũthũkĩrio mĩtũrĩre yao.
Pimia mama ya kwako uniform ya mashule yote ya hapa Makutano. Kila siku ukimuona anakaa tofauti. Aendelee kukufurahisha ndio uendelee kukaa na mama. Tuache watoto wa shule waende shule. Mambo ya kutuma watoto wasichana jioni kwa duka wachana naye. Asubuhi mapema wacha kutuma mtoto wa shule. Wachana na wao wasome. Hao ndio viongozi wetu wa kesho. Na hao ni mabibi wa kesho, sio wa sai.
Tugivie na mbere tuvie kuria kaunti-inĩ ya Narok na kuria aikari a wodi ya Enkoloi Oledekes kaunti-inĩ ya Narok ni marũrũnganĩte nĩ kĩrĩa maugĩte nĩ kamĩtĩ ya bunge ya Senate ĩgiĩ mĩgũnda kwaga gwĩkinyia na kuria kũringana na marũa marĩa mamandĩkĩire. Maugĩte atĩ kamĩtĩ ĩno yabatiĩ gũkorwo ĩgĩkinyia kũrĩ tarĩki 13 mweri-inĩ ũyũ na mwaka-inĩ wa 2026 makĩenda mũgũnda wa makĩria ma ĩka 40 ũkorwo ũgĩtigithanio na o mũndũ kũgĩa na taito yake.
Yesterday or the day before, we saw the tear gassing in Kitengela. What was the cause? Those people were having a peaceful meeting. There was no cause whatsoever. There was no breach of peace whatsoever. The government has just panicked, and that tells you what is happening.
Na thutha wa kwamũkĩra riboti ĩyo ĩrĩa gũkorwo kimia mũkĩra twamba gũcokereria turamba gwĩkiria oro hanini
amu nĩ tũracokereria na mohoro mangĩ.
Ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ũngĩkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kana WhatsApp. Namba itũ nĩ 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email itũ nĩyo info@kiheotv.co.ke.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Kemuma, njoo na mimi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba. njoo nami twende Kimuma Engineering System. Kwa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kimuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Niwe haririe kuoya ikinya mbere hari kiria wiriragiria guthoma ndugathinike ringi riu kuona Jewel Technical College mari haha ni undu waku tuthomithagia kothi tiganite ta journalism and media studies niguo memerekia, hospitality management niguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy nimo maundu megemainie na uthaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makiria moguo nituri na thiomi cia nanja nicio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucherere Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kurigania na TRM no tuhurire thimu namba 0713 niyo 0701300071 kana no tucherere rurenda-ini rwitu ni rwo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano. Tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini. Nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa githima rucini thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitane na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto theinie wa tabarira ya riũa rĩa wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe. Igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaingira kiberereki theinie wa tabarira ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithira KW. Mugaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanira na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya ikumbi ria Kigosho.
Eni ni Kigosho kimurutio nyitanagira na nie MC John wa githomo and the band. Ririkana ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaini nginya thaa 5 cia utuku. Mbeo ya Ngai ndiumaga, mbeo ya Ngai ndiumaga, mbeo ya Ngai ndicindagone, mbeo ya Ngai itũragio no Ngai. Na ningĩ no tũrũmĩrĩre nenda-inĩ citũ Kiheo TV na yakwa kĩũmbe John wa githomo official. Nĩguo ndĩinaga kĩhindĩra mũthamaki ũrĩa ũnyenda mũno.
Kuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigirĩrĩki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM, kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nam ni twacokereria hari kirekaria keri na ria muthia.
Tuko tugicokereria hari riboti kuma kuri mwena wa Narok na kuria aikari a wodi Enkore county ya Narok ni marurunganite ni kira maugite ni kamiti ya bunge igie migunda kwaga gwikinyia toria maigwanire kwi tariki 13 mweri-ini wa keri makigia na ngucanio wa ika 40,565
na toria mwandiki wa mohoro na niyo Wanjiku wa Mbogo aratariria aikari maroiga ati no thirikari ingihota tu kumateithiriria na gwetha kihonia kia naihenya.
Roy Olde Kesi wa dini ya Nariara gicigo bunge kia Narok county ya Narok ni marurunganite magitariria mitangiko yao kumana na kamiti ya bunge ya Senate nerera huthika kunyabara maingi megie migunda ikirikana ni yagite gwikinyia cikaro-ini cia mwanya niguo kuhe mendikithia magutura kumana na ngucanio cia mugunda.
For years, the people of Olde Kesi in Narok West, Narok County have endured silence, intimidation and injustices. Our widows have wept in fear of losing the only land they call home. Our orphans have grown up under the shadow of uncertainty. Persons living with disabilities and vulnerable have watched helpless as power and influence appear to matter more than the truth and fairness.
Makiaria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa kururungana maugite kamiti yo yabatie gukinya cikaro-ini kuri tariki 13 mweri-ini wa iri mwaka-ini uyu indi gugitirio gutari na kuiguithanio kwa muingi magitongorio ni Joshua Musulpei Ronyiro na Francis Mutarin Esho maugite ati nginyagia title deed ikoretwo ikiheanwo na kimenyano aingi makiumwo kihoto kia wigwatiri wa migunda.
Na ndio tulikuwa tumeenda kulilia Senate. Na tunashukuru sana komiti ya ardhi ya Senate kwa kuwa nyinyi mmekuwa waaminifu. Tulikuwa tunataka Senate kwanza wakuje watatue mambo ya community. Kuna watu hawana ardhi. Wakati ambaye title deed imeletwa, hata sisi wenye tulikuwa kwenye petition, kuna baadhi wetu wamenyimwa title deed yao na haikuwa na kesi, unyanyasaji. Hata kuna watu ambaye title deed yao imekatazwa, imefungiwa, hata tujui mahali iko. Na hakuna viongozi wanatusikiza hapa. Sisi tunalilia kamati ya Senate na tunaomba hata president aweze kuingilia kati. Kwa vile tukilia na sisi ndio watu ambao tunachagua hii viongozi. Hiyo ni kitu mbaya. Tunaomba hata rais wetu Ruto aweze kutusikiliza na aweze kusaidia jamii hii ya Older Kesi. Hata hiyo kamati ya Senate hatujaambiwa ni nini imefanyika mpaka wamekosa kukuja siku ya leo.
Hadoine ha Kiheo TV jitagwo Wanjiku wa Mbogo.
Nĩ ngatho Wanjiku wa Mbogo na rĩu tũhiũke nginyagia kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Meru. uria wari mucirithania munene guku bururi-ini na niwe David Maraga riu no athiete na mbere na gukorwo agiukirira maabitha ria makoretwo makiuthira hinya mukiru guko agithi na mbere no korwo akiuga ati ni mugara Maraga oho no athiete na mbere no korwo akiuri Inspector General wa borithi gukorwo akiingirira.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Meru, Maraga niathiete na mbere na kuga ni aranyita mbaru itacokia ria Inspector General wa borithi Douglas Kanja ria korwo gitacokirie makinya a borithi na aria marakorwo makiagarara watho kana korwo makiagarara watho wa muingi.
Yesterday, is it yesterday or the day before? We saw the tear gassing in Kitengela. What was the cause? Those people were having a peaceful meeting. There was no cause whatsoever. There was no breach of peace whatsoever. The government has just panicked, and that tells you what is happening. I stand firmly with the united opposition in condemning the tear gassing of gatherings, the tear gassing particularly of churches. Today, I know the leaders of united opposition are going to the IG's office to demand prosecution because nothing has been done. There is one great concern that we have noted. At the moment, ID registration and voter registration is at the constituency level. ID registration is in some government offices. These are very far from where the people live. We have been to quite a number of parts of the counties we have been to, where people have told us that for them to be able to register, they need between 1,000 and 1,500, if not 2,000, to travel to the registration centers and to come. The people who are being asked to travel are people who are extremely poor. Some of them are young people who are unemployed. And that actually for me explains why we have very, very low registration, especially of the young people. How do you expect them to travel to the registration centers? My appeal is to IEBC and the registrar of persons to get to where the people are. And it's not difficult. It's a question of announcing that they are going to such a market center. This week, they go there and register, move from one place to the other. Government services are supposed to be taken to the
na riu tugithie na mbere tuthie kuria kaunti-ini ya Kwale na riu kamiti igie kigina na mibango ya gifururi ni tirihite mihango ya guthikiria mwingi kaunti-ini ya Kwale hari ndereti ya wendia wa shares ya Safaricom kuri kambuni imwe bururi-ini wa South Africa ya Vodacom. Riu mihango ino ikinyanirio ni mwikirigiti wa kamiti iyo David Boni maya mokite wiba thirikari kwanira ni ukurekendia shares icio ni gicunji kia 15 maugite ati kana itanyitwo kwekendia shares ici na riu Boni augite ati mbere ya ndereti ino kwegikianirio ndereti ino ni kwegikinyo bunge-ini ya gifururi.
Watu wanatafuta pesa kama wananchi, kila siku tunalia maendeleo, na maendeleo kufanyika ni lazima serikali ukuwe na pesa ya kutosha. Kwa hivyo kule kuuza hisa 15 kuziuza hisa za serikali ikiwa inaleta pesa, ili pesa ile isaidie kuendesha maendeleo, masuala ya maji, masuala ya barabara na mengineyo, tunaona kwamba ni jambo zuri.
Na nina uhakika kuwa zile shares zikipitisha pesa ikifika kwa serikali, hizo projects zitafuatiliwa na uhakika na mambo yatakuwa mazuri. Kwa hiyo mimi nasisitiza na naomba kwa Wakenya wenzangu tukubaliane na hiyo shares tuuze, serikali ipate pesa, hizo project zote zenye zimeandikwa ziweze kufanikisha kwa haraka, especially maji.
Wabunge wote kwa kauli moja, hakuna mbunge ambaye anataka hii pesa iende kwa Consolidation Fund. Kwa sababu Consolidation Fund pesa ikiingia hapo, first charge ni kulipa mandeni, second charge ni pension, third charge ni kulipa mishahara ya constitutional offices, na the fourth one ni kulipa mishahara watu wa serikali wote, wafanyikazi wa serikali. So hii pesa tunataka iingie na hii ndio mapendekezo ya wananchi. Hii pesa iingie kwa National Infrastructure Fund, iingie hapo, serikali ilete projects. Bunge iwe inaweza pitisha hiyo project.
Pia wakati tukipata hayo mapendekezo, tunataka kuona ya kwamba kuna usawa, sio kwamba hii miradi kweli ina umuhimu wa kiuchumi lakini iwe iko skewed, tunaikuta tu mahali sehemu fulani, ama sehemu moja imepewa miradi muhimu na huku kwingine wamepewa makombo. Hayo ni mambo ambayo hatutaki kuyasikia wala kuyaona, na ni mambo ambayo tutayaangalia kwa makini pale bungeni.
But the outcome of it will have to carry the weight and the views of Kenyans, and that's why we are encouraging Kenyans always remain to see the reports of this committee, especially at the third reading stage, the committee of the whole house, because that is where all these amendments will be brought on board before the final product is completed, either for assent or for approval as a sessional member. So it is critical what they contribute, and we as a National Assembly and on record, we've been encouraging them to be seeing our reports even on website. All the views of Kenyans are captured there. So those who are worried, they need not to worry. They need to see the final product that the chairman will be moving in the amendment at the committee of the whole house.
Na riboti yo ni yakore gitwikirira gaturumo ka mohoro maria tuma namo nie njitagwo Francis Wairura
njitagwo Maureen Wanjiru twakwendithĩria mũthenya mwega na ũrĩ na kĩrathimo.